Hello my viewers, welcome back to LEAGILE show where we educate and entertain. I'm Julius Joseph and we'll be taking you through this calculation based on sets. So remember, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, share and comment on our videos. So the question is, given set A where the elements are 1, 3, 5, 7, -1, -3, -5, -7. Then set B here having elements like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then set C -4, -3, -1, 2, 4. Then the universal set is having -7 all through to element 8. So we are told to determine the complement of set A. Remember, complement of set A are all those elements that are in the universal set but not available in set A. So if we check in, we compare those elements in set A and those in the universal set. So let us continue. So the elements that are not in A but are there in the universal set are, for example, here we are having 2, 4, we have 6, 8, -2, -4, -6 and 0. So that is the complement of set A. Then part 2, A intersection B. Remember, intersection here will mean that these are elements that are found in both set A and set B. Let us again compare them. Check on set A here and set B, which elements are found in both sides. So in that case, there will be, for example, we having 1. Secondly, which other number you seeing? We are having 3 is there. 1, 3, we are having -1 and also -3. So that forms the intersection there. Then part C, A union B intersection C. So we'll break this one into 2. So we start by finding B intersection C, and remember I said intersection here means those elements that are found in both sets, in this case B and C. So let us go and compare again those elements that are in B and C. So we are seeing there -3 is there. Which other number? -1, and also I'm seeing 2. So this is the intersection between set B and C. Now we merge these two. So A union B intersection C will be, remember we are uniting this, so this will contain all elements in A and in this intersection, and that will contain, let's check, we are having there the first one as -3. I'm seeing -1, 1 is there, 2, 3, we're having also 5, 7, -5, and we're also having -7. So A union intersection of B and C, these are the elements that we are going to find. Remember to subscribe, like, share and comment on our videos, and we continue. Thank you.